It's a red light runner. Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches bit black head pedestrian, pedestrian, pedum dum 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 dumpstrian. Hey, make me interrupt the Ozzy Osbourne for your dumbass. Stop it. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Yeah, you made me interrupt Ozzy Osbourne again. Stop it! No, stop, firefighter! I think that's a firefighter, or... You should know better. Really? Yeah, just because you're flashing your high beams doesn't mean that you can go. It's like using flashers as your park anywhere lights. Like, stop it! Oh, really? DHL.
Here and our great producer, this is Fraser Spence. We are Buck Off. We are out.
The lane's over there. The lane's... Yep, there you go. You figured it out. Good job. Country's proud of you.
And let's face it, I guess they're in Central. I think the Central's down. I think some teams are.
Extra regret up there.
Better. Winnipeg fell. I think they could be.
What
right there. For a playoff spot.
What are you doing?
All the news got out that they were maybe moving, or who knows, and they couldn't get leased. And couldn't get a deal.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
AOL, Ted Leonis, I don't know what they're going to do. If he doesn't get 20, I don't know.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I love the way you put that, the shift of beliefs to values.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Sunlight factor in the mirror must be exhausting, always breaking through the anti-hero. Uh-oh, that left turn has struck again. I know, it must be exhausting not knowing not seeing the signs that said right turn is only right lane is right turn only. Yep, fuck you, stop. You're in the video.
The friends who become the kind of support people that
your
family could be for you.
Yes. I love your idea. Religion and politics, those kind of have to be off the table. If we're going to be spending time together and we want it to be fruitful.
No left turn into the drive-thru, you idiot.
Voting.
The RAF flashlight chairs. They, to get around Elon's patent.
No stop.
Oh,
looks like this video is going to be all no stops. Nope. Really? Really? What the fuck are you doing, dude? Stick to the left. This is pretty ballsy to pull out like that. That makes sense. Oh, right turn regret. I think this guy next to me was stopped first. And yeah, a bunch of people ran. Because idiots. Red light run, red light run, red light run, and it's all your fault. What a stupid looking car! Stop driving that thing!
When you get into business, is it's not just doing the job. You also have to toe the company line. So, but if you don't,
what? Don't you have a red light on that side?
So, like, it's getting all of the.
Yes, you do.
They get their feet beaten if they talk out of turn because the guy has 9 lives. Is that what it's all about?
Red light run, red light run, red light run. I don't feel like talking today. It's weird.
The show.
Well, and sometimes that's true, right? You can have 2 great players, but if
No,
you're
stop.
not winning the cup, it's maybe.
Wait, that was red light run, red light runner. It's a red light runner. It's a red light runner. Fuck you.
Yeah, real bargain on Zadorov.
No, stop.
No, it's disheartening how good the Atlantic is. Brandon won towards 7 years, 7.14, and he kept looking at 2.75. The Calgary organization, Ryan Lundborg, got 2x2, the Stanley Cup winner.
I don't think you can do that. Just get off at the next exit and turn around. It's only like 5 miles ahead. It's like, why would you want to go back to Canastota? It sucks back there. Go to Syracuse. Everything's nicer.
All this kind of stuff, and I was like, it's gonna be an awesome trip. And like I did all the research I could, about the trip. And one of the big problems with it was the parking lot, like the trailhead to like.
I wonder what the cones are for.
It won't serve them. Right?
No, stop.
It's not for them. It's for the other people, so you can get in line.
No, stop.
Well, there you go.
No, stop again. And everyone just ignores the frickin' stuff. It should just be a yield sign there. I agree. It's stupid that that stop sign's there. Yeah, no stop again. But it's still there. We kind of have to follow these things because it's there. I didn't make up the rules. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. No, stop. No, stop. Toyota. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut, but we're not in Connecticut, we are in New York on I-390. There is no trucks restriction here, so you're okay, I guess. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you in your next video. Okay, bye!